Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a number to word formula in Excel using VBA, and then how to make it a permanent add-in, so that you can use it anytime, in any Excel file. Don't worry if you're a beginner, I'll explain everything very simply. Let's start from the very beginning. Step 1. How to open the Developer tab. Many Excel users don't have the Developer tab visible in their Excel, so first, let's enable it. Move your mouse pointer to the top area of Excel where you see the Quick Access toolbar. Now right-click there. You'll see an option called Customize the ribbon. Click on it. On the right side, you'll find a checkbox named Developer. Just tick that box and click OK. Great! Now you can see the Developer tab on your Excel ribbon. Click on the Developer tab. And from the left side, click Visual Basic. This will open the VBA Editor window. Now on the top menu, click Insert. And then click Module. A blank code window will open. Perfect! We are now ready to add our VBA code. Step 2. Copy and paste the number to word VBA code. Now, we'll paste our number to word VBA code here. You can find the full code in the video description below. So first, copy the entire code from there. After selecting the whole code, press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then come back to the VBA window and press Ctrl+V to paste. Once pasted, click on the Save icon in the top left corner. Now, under Save as Type, choose Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. And then click Save. That's it, your code is now saved in this workbook. Close the VBA window and come back to Excel. Now let's test it. Type the formula, then select your number and press Enter. You will see your number is converted into words. Isn't that amazing? But wait, this formula will only work in this Excel file, not in others. So let's see how to make it permanent. Step 3. How to make the formula permanent. At first we close this Excel workbook. Now, we will learn how to make this formula work in all Excel files. Let's open a new blank workbook. Try typing equals number to word again. You will notice it doesn't show up. That's because the VBA code is only saved inside the previous workbook, so, to make it permanent, we'll save it as an Excel add-in. Let's do it together. Go again to the Developer tab, then click Visual Basic. Click Insert, then click Module. Now paste the same code here again. After selecting the whole code, press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then come back to the VBA window and press Ctrl+V to paste. Once pasted, click the Save As icon. In the file name box, type Umbertard. And in the Save As type, choose Excel Add-in. Save this file in a safe location, like your Documents or Downloads folder, so you can easily find it later. Then click Save. Done. Now close this workbook. You've successfully created your add-in file. Close this. Step 4. Add the add-in to Excel. Now it's time to add this add-in into Excel. Go to the Developer tab and click Excel Add-ins. But if you don't see this option, don't worry, there's another way. Click on File, then click Option. In the Excel option menu bar, you will see Add-ins and click on it. At the bottom, you'll see a drop-down called Manage. Select Excel Add-ins and click Go. A new window will pop up. Click Browse and go to the folder where you saved your add-in file. Select it and click OK. Then click Yes and again click OK. That's it. Now your number to word add-ins is successfully installed in Excel. Step 5. Test the add-in formula. Let's test whether it's working properly. Close this Excel workbook. Now open a new blank Excel workbook. Type here the number to word formula. Then select a cell and press Enter. Enter some numbers in the selected cell. The number to word formula converts numbers to words. Step 6. Add currency Taka, Rupee, or dollar. Now let's make it even more useful by adding currencies like Taka, Rupee, or dollar. It's very simple. At first type some number. Type number to word formula. Then select number. Bracket close. Type ampersand quotation mark. Since we want to add Taka, we will type Taka only. Then quotation mark. Press Enter. You will see add Taka only. But some corrections are needed. Click the formula cell. Then space. And that's it. Double-click on plus icon. Now we are successful. Similarly, you will add rupees and dollars. Just click on the formula cell and change Taka to rupees. Press Enter. Drag and drive. And it's done. At the same way we are a dollar. That's it, friends. You've learned everything from start to finish: how to write a number to word VBA code, how to save it, and how to make it a permanent add-in in Excel. Now you can use this formula anytime, and even share it with your friends. I've also shared the VBA code link in the video description, so you can download it directly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials like this. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.